Hello folks, a new episode of One Paper, 1 Minute Anthology on the Capricorn orogen, a compressional intraplate orogen which is located in Western Australia. The Capricorn orogen is 1,000 km long and is the result of the collision between the Pilbara and the Yilgarn Cratons between 2.2 and 1.9 billion years before present. But the question is, how long was the orogen reworked? Here we combine mica, argon, and xenotime uranium lead dating of shear zones from the Cascoyne province. Our new and existing data showed that the reworking of the Capricorn orogen included metamorphism and magmatism and lasted a billion years after collision. It concluded by a major episode of fault reactivation 900 million years ago. Besides small, very localized events, the architecture of the orogen has remained unchanged since this time. See you next time, folks.